Creating patterns. Patterns can be created by either repeating the shapes or by rotating them to quarter and half turn. So, firstly, repeating the shapes. These are repeating shapes. Next one is rotating to quarter turn. Quarter means 1/4. देखो, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. Pentagon. ठीक है. When we rotate it quarter turn, only this. And again same, quarter turn, same, quarter turn, same, and rotating to half turn. Firstly, this is look like this, and when we rotate it in half turn, it looks like this. This is a rotating half turn. So next one is draw how the shapes will look after the given quarter turn. Only when quarter turn will look like this. Half turn look like this, and another turn, that means in this side. In this way we can quarter turn, half turn, and another turn of the shapes. Next is observe the continue the pattern 2 more times. Firstly 1, 2 and 3 times. Now we have to draw 2 more times. Firstly, draw a line. And 1, 2, 3. So draw 4 more boxes. 1 more box, total means 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next one is 5. Draw 5 because we have to draw 2 more times. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way we can draw another shapes. The next one is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similar 1, 2 and 3. In this way here is 4 and next one is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next one is net. Nets. A rectangle is a 2-dimensional shape as it has length and breadth. This is a box. This is a box. It is a shape of cuboid. It has 1 more dimension height. Look at this. This is a net. Okay. When we fold it like this, and this is a sides of the net, join them, sides of the net, and it is a top view of the net. In this way we can draw a shape of nets, that is cube or cuboid. Some examples of cuboid are cupboards, desks, your geometry box, etc. The face of cuboid looks like a rectangle. देखो face, it is a face of looks like a rectangle. Next is this is a cube. This is also 3-dimensional. Cube and cuboid both are 3-dimensional. Cube is a dice. The face of cube looks like a square. The face of cube looks like a square in this way. This is a cube. A net is 2-dimensional representation of solid shapes that can be folded into a solid shape it represents. You cite वी कैन ईजिली मेक 3 dimensional शेप्स बाय फोल्डिंग 2 dimensional नेट्स। जो हमने अभी नेट को फोल्ड किया था उस वे से हम क्यूब और क्यूबॉइड्स को बना सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज फिल द बॉक्स एंड राइट द नेम ऑफ द शेप्स। फर्स्टली फेसेस, it is a cube because it is in cube shape. How many faces of cube? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And edges of cube where the lines meet, that one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Next one is vertex. What is vertex? Where the two line segments meet each other, that is called vertex. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 because all the lines meet with each other. Vertex of cube 8. And next one is cuboid. Faces of cube 6, edges 12 and vertex is 8 because cube and cuboid both are 3 dimensional shapes. Next one is choose the correct net for the given shape. ये वाली शेप है हमारे पास। अब क्या करना है, हमने करेक्ट नेट चूज करना है इनमें से। देखो ये वाला तो नहीं हो सकता, क्यों? क्योंकि इसके एज क्या है, ट्राइंगल शेप के हैं, और इसके एज क्या है, सर्कल शेप के। बट ये क्या है, एक क्यूबॉइड है, तो ये वाला नेट क्या है, correct option. Look at this net, it looks like it. So when we fold it, it looks like same. So correct option is this. Next one is B. Here it looks like this. This is a correct shape of this. देखो ये वाला नेट इस तरह दिखाई दे रहा है। जब ये वाली शेप बनाने के लिए इसको पहले फोल्ड करो, ये साइड्स को, नेक्स्ट इसको रीज्वाइन करो इसके साथ, और देन इसको इसके साथ। ये हमारा टॉप व्यू हो गया। सो दिस इज अ करेक्ट नेट ऑफ दिस shape. Next one is different ways to look at a shape. A 3-dimensional shape can look different from different views, so it can be drawn from different perspectives. Example number 1, observe the given shape. It is made with 8 cubes joining together. When we look at the shape from different sides of it, it will look different. Here look at this. This is a front view. This is a front view, and when we rejoin this all together, it is our top view, and this is a